Hello fans, welcome back to the many video guys on my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix own guys phone special function setting, and today video title is guys tapping wake how to use. So what is tapping wake and guys, how can we use in Infinix phone device? Today friends, we are going to talk about. So without waste time guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys, and after phone setting I scroll it guys, you can see guys your phone is special function guys. Very special function is here. We will tap here action setting and guys casual setting we will tap here. First guys, you can see tapping wake, we will tap here. So once you can see tapping wake notification, and how can we use it? So first of all guys, we will on it. You can see double click the center of the screen to turn off and on the screen. So guys, we will double click, and so you can see tapping wake off screen and double tap to on screen. So without clicking guys power off button guys, you can turn off your screen, and guys you can on your screen with your double tap. So like that guys, you can use guys the double tap to wake and turn off a screen in your Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.